Hey, what's going on, guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, a lot of you guys that subscribe to my channel, I know that you're either getting started in appliance repair or you're either in appliance repair. I wanted to break something down to you and explain something so that maybe I can break the ice for a lot of you new guys and a lot of you guys that may have experience but looking for some mentor or some help in other areas to gain more experience. So let me say this. I have guys that are in the used appliance repair business. I got guys that in the appliance repair business. I got guys that's been doing this for about 3 years to just recently got started this year. These guys, they've already got warranty companies. They've already begun to do work with the warranty companies, but some of them need freshen up on refrigerators. They need tip on refrigerators, Samsungs, LGs, you know, all the major brands of appliances. And what the benefit of is matter of fact, here, let me show you. I'm going to show you what we're going to do when we go into the chat group. So here we are with the Voxer app. This is the application that I use in order to radio into the technicians and the technicians radio into me through the group. As you can see here, this is the other technicians that's part of the group here. I will be doing a video and we're going to be interviewing each of the technicians and talking about how this group is benefiting them. But you can just see here where the guys, they send me pictures, they're radioing with questions. I'm right there with them. Shout out to Christian. He's a new technician that just recently joined a few days ago. He's from Northwest Louisiana. So shout out to you, sir. Glad to have you along. But this is what it's about, guys. What you can do is you can email me if you're interested in being a part of the group. The group price has changed. It was $20. Now we're lifting the price up to $40. That's right. Now, for a limited time, you can get in for $40 a month. That is the cost of one service call, if not more, when you pull up. If you're charging more than $40 to pull up, which I hope that you are. But it's $40 a month, guys. You can't beat it. You got me as a mentor. No need to turn down calls. Go through PayPal and we can get set up. Be sure to email me at dcappliancerepair2012@gmail.com. I'll call you. We'll go from there and show you how to set up and we'll get you rocking. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe to support my channel. This is David with DC Appliance Repair and I'll see y'all in the next video.